Is it time to buy or sell JetBlue Airways stock? In this video, we are diving deep into JetBlue Airways. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 10th, 2024, our system has classified JetBlue Airways as a hold or accumulate with a score of negative 0.59. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 10.77% since we initially recommended purchasing JetBlue Airways 17 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.63% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and gentle upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of approximately 6.71% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 14.91% to positive 14.16%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it anticipates a change of around 7.84% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 31.01% and positive 17.37%. This suggests a price range of between $5.18 and $8.81 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for JetBlue Airways includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for JetBlue Airways Corporation. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, the stock price of JetBlue Airways Corporation increased by 0.401%, rising from $7.48 to $7.51. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.91%, with a low of $7.23 and a high of $7.58. The stock has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 7.29% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased by 649,000 shares, resulting in a total of 18 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $135,094,000. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $8.28, while the lowest price was $4.50. Currently, the stock price sits at 9.3% or 77 cents below the 52-week high, and 68.88% or $16.62 below the all-time high, which occurred on July 13, 2017, when the stock price peaked at $24.13. JetBlue Airways is currently facing significant challenges, having recently been fined $2 million by the U.S. Department of Transportation for operating multiple chronically delayed flights. This unprecedented penalty marks the first time an airline has received such a fine under regulations governing scheduling practices. The latest action highlights the ongoing scrutiny within the airline industry as the Department of Transportation investigates other carriers for similar issues. In the short term, this fine could negatively impact JetBlue's stock price as investors react to the regulatory pressure and the potential for rising operational costs. Additionally, the requirement to offer customer compensation may further strain the airline's finances, which are already being affected by high labor costs and negative cash flow. Longer-term concerns persist as JetBlue grapples with profitability issues and a challenging debt-to-equity ratio in comparison to its competitors. The airline currently holds 7th place in U.S. market share, yet faces headwinds that could impact its ability to effectively leverage macroeconomic travel demand. Amidst these obstacles, there are signs of a brighter outlook, particularly due to strong passenger volumes and strategic initiatives aimed at enhancing customer loyalty, such as incentives linked to sustainable aviation fuel. However, Investors should remain cautious as JetBlue navigates through these turbulent conditions, weighing the potential for recovery against ongoing operational challenges. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, December 18, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned JBLU a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, December 4, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned JBLU a sell rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, December 4, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned JBLU a sell rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, October 22, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned JBLU a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, October 9, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned JBLU neutral with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned JetBlue Airways stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for JetBlue Airways. The JetBlue Airways Corporation stock shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $7.76. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $6.89. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will produce a sell signal. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day even as prices increased, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact its near-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, December 30, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 6.24%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 106 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 18 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 69 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for JetBlue Airways. JetBlue Airways Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $7.30. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is subject to significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 355 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, reflecting a change of 4.91%. In the last week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 5.07%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for JetBlue Airways, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative $420,000. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for JetBlue Airways. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for JetBlue Airways is at $7.53. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, JetBlue Airways encounters its first support level at $7.30. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for JetBlue Airways from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 11th of November, 2024, Christy Warren executed an insider sale of 3,099 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Christy Warren also conducted an insider purchase of 3,099 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 11th of November, 2024, Christy Warren carried out an insider sale of 3,099 shares of common stock. On the 31st of October, 2024, St. George Martin J. performed an insider purchase of 3,264 shares of common stock. On the same day, Hurley Ursula L. completed an insider purchase of 1,753 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 44.863. In total, insiders purchased 1,659,436 shares and sold 571,435 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $7.11, reflecting a decrease of 5.38%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is JetBlue Airways stock a good buy? JetBlue Airways Corporation presents several negative indicators, suggesting that it may be a sell candidate. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it is advisable to consider it as a hold or accumulate position while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 6th of January, we anticipate JetBlue Airways to open down approximately 7 cents and begin trading at $7.44. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before you decide to buy or sell any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.